Hi everyone. So I hope you are enjoying your 4th of July weekend and getting a chance to enjoy some time with family and friends. We do still have a couple weeks left for our online college algebra class, so I wanted to send along a few reminders to you. This week we are wrapping up Module 5, also known as Chapter 6, on exponential and logarithmic functions. Now, because I realize this is something that may be new to a number of you, I want to remind you that it's important to go through the textbook, the online OpenStax book. They have some really good examples. There are video helps in there as well. I have some additional resources in our Blackboard folder. But if you don't find what you need, something that's going to help you, you still have an additional question, don't hesitate to send me an email. The best way is through the MyJeffco email because I get notifications of that on my phone, but I will also be checking the XYZ messages. All right, so once you wrap up that, you will move on to the very last module, which is Chapter 7 on systems of equations and matrices. Some of that will probably be familiar, but some of it may be new. So make sure, again, you are checking out all the additional resources that I have made available to you, and let me know if you need anything else. All right, I have put a little information in here about the final exam. We will have two parts. Part of it is a portfolio portion, which is based on pretty much like what we're doing with discussions. Be looking for an email later this week to give you a few more details about how you're going to be completing that portion. The other part will be a normal exam in XYZ that will be timed and for which you will have to submit some work. Again, watch for additional details. As always, if you have any questions, please just let me know. All right, have a great week.